Just ahead of the assembly elections in Meghalaya and Nagaland, scheduled to be held on the February 27th, northeastern Christian leaders representing all the churches of the region gathered at Guwahati and expressed concerns over the atrocities against Christians in the country. Reverend Dr. E.H. Kharkongor, the General Secretary of Khasi Jaintia Christian Leaders Forum, KJCLF, Shillong, informed that the meeting took note of incidents against Christians which included hate speeches, humiliation and violence targeting individuals and groups, destruction and desecration of property and places of worship. The church leaders also expressed concern over their fear over the alleged attempt to scrap the scheduled tribe status of people who have embraced Christianity.
In Northeast India would be the ST status would be removed from the Christians, and ST is their scheduled tribe status, and if that is removed on the basis of a scheduled tribe person being a Christian, then that is not correct. That is not correct, and I think that is going to affect, and it will, get so many responses